All right, so this is example 4, and I don't remember if the last video, if I said it was example 4 or example 3, but this is example 4. The last video was example 3. So here, let's just, we're going to do the same thing as making tables, but this time we have three equations in our piecewise function, and then 3 conditions in the back. So again, because there are 3 equations here, and also again, when you stop the video, go and stop it, write the stuff down, and then keep playing. But I'm going to keep moving on. So because there are 3 equations here, we know we have 3 tables. And so I have 3 tables already set up for this, and you don't have to make them as big as I did. I don't know why I made them so big, but they're really, really big here. So with that, again, we're going to make 3 tables. We're going to make 3 tables here. And with that, we're going to fill in the x values, and then we're going to find the f of x values or the y values, and then we're going to look at open and close circles, and then be done. That's it. So here, each again, remember, these are the x values that come here. So if you need to, every time, draw the arrows so that it can come here, so that you'll remember that, and it won't be like something that you're like, I just don't remember how to do that. It's so stupid. So with that, don't look and see stupid. Actually, let's make sure we can do this, because it's not bad. We can do this. So we say x is between 0 and 2. So it means we start off with our endpoint, which is 0. We have 1, and then we have 2. So endpoint. And then here, start off with 2. So 2 to 4. 2, 3, and 4. And then for our last one here, that's from 4 to 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, make sure that you use your endpoints. Don't start it at 1 or 3 for this one or 5 for this one. Make sure you have those endpoints, because again, the numbers between 0 and 1 have to be represented. But if you just start at 1, that means you just cut off a bunch of numbers there. You cut them all off completely. So like that 0.5 is not there, which it should be. When you're graphing out, 0.5 has to be there. So make sure you start at the endpoints and end at the endpoints. Here we already filled in the values, but again, to remember how to fill those values in, remember you put 0 in for x, so 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Put 1 in for x, so 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Put 2 in for x, so 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Again, put these x values in for x and simplify them down or solve them out. Same thing works for these. Whenever you put in a 2 in for x for these two, right here, and you work it out, you should get an answer of 2. When you put 3 in for both of these and work it out, you should get a 4. And when you put 4 in for both of these here and work it out, you get 8. And the last one is the most easiest thing that you can do, simply because this is a constant function. Remember, it doesn't go up, it doesn't go down, it stays the same no matter what. So that means here, for each one of these, you don't have any work to do. You just put 5, 5, 5, and 5. Because it stays constant. It doesn't change. It doesn't go up, it doesn't go down. It stays exactly where it is. Now the last part is just trying to figure out, again, if it's open and closed. And again, we're looking at our interval notation part here. We know our endpoints are the ones that can be open and closed. Anything in between pretty much stays closed or is closed. So that means here, the things that are between, it's this part here. This is closed. This one is in between the 2 numbers, so that's closed. And these 2 are in between the 2 numbers, so they're both closed. So the only thing we have to figure out now is just the endpoints here. That part, that, and that. And again, your inequalities will tell you what's going on. Again, if it has the equal to sign there, we know it's a closed circle. So for 0, that's an equal to sign, so that's closed. For the 2, there's just a less than sign, so that is open. So that 2 is a less than sign, open. Here, there's an equal to sign there, so that's closed. So 0 is closed, 2 is open. Same thing here for these 2. For the 2, there's an equal to sign right there, so that means that's closed. For the 4 back here, again, that's just a less than sign, so it's not an equal to, so it means it's open. Remember again, If it's equal to, it's closed. If it's not an equal to on it, it's open. All right, and then the same thing here again. The 4 has an equal to there, so that's closed. 4 has that equal to sign, so that is closed again. And then the 7 here has a less than sign, so that's open. And that's it. That's all we're dealing with. So here, those are closed, close, close, open, close, close, open, close, 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 open. All right, so that's it.